Bonjour les amis! Bonjour! Comment ça va? Comment ça va means how are you? Can you try that? Comment ça va? And if you're having a good day, you say ça va bien. Ça va bien. Oh, regarde le beau soleil. Oh, beautiful day outside today. Il fait soleil, sunshine, soleil. Are you ready to have a French class with me? My name is Madame Tweedy. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy. I'm so happy to see you today. So today we have a wonderful lesson on our S sounds. And if you would like Ananas to join us, say Bonjour Ananas. Can you say that nice and loud? Bonjour Ananas. I think that she heard you. I think she's coming. Bonjour Ananas. Oui, ça va bien Ananas? Ça va bien means that I'm having a great time. I'm feeling great. Ça va bien. Everything is going well. Good job. So we need to pick a color today to go over our words. Let's check out the colors, Anana. Here we have rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, et noir. So today, because we have such a beautiful sunny day, I'm going to choose jaune. There we go. That's the color of ananas. Jaune. Okay, so here we go. And here's the title of our series, French with Ananas. Today is lesson 1.4, A sound, leçon 1.4, leçon A. And let's get started. Now let's see if you can guess what our first word is. Aujourd'hui with the sound A. Oh, it's coming up. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, ananas? Nice. This is called un chapeau. Chapeau. Now, what I'm wearing today is different. It's like a baseball cap. It's called une casquette. But this on my screen is called un chapeau. Chapeau. Let's count how many syllables we hear in chapeau. Can you clap them with me? Chapeau, chapeau, chapeau. That's 2 syllables. Deux syllabes in the word chapeau. Now, can you find the letter that gives us the A sound? Chapeau. Oh, if you pointed to this one, you are correct. The clue is it's in red, en rouge. Rouge. So one more time, this is our word, chapeau. And please, my friends, remember to say it out loud. Out loud. No need to be shy. When you say the words out loud, it actually makes you learn them a little bit faster. Chapeau. Let's see if we can guess our next picture. Oh, that's interesting. What could this be? Ah, I see. Now, this is like an umbrella, but that you use at the beach to keep you safe from the sun. We call this un parasol. Parasol. Can we count the syllables together? Let's clap them. Parasol. Oh, I can hear 3. Parasol. Very nice. And I think we have 2 A sounds in this word. Can you find the A sounds? Un, deux. There's 2 A sounds in this word. Parasol. Can you say that one with me again? Parasol. And it's a nice bright color. C'est beau. Bravo, mes amis. Let's move on. Oh, c'est un animal. An animal. Un animal. Oh, wow. This animal is called un lama. Lama. Let's clap those syllables together. Lama. Lama. 2 syllabes. Lama. Bravo. Also, this word has 2 A sounds. Can you find the A sound? Un, bravo. Deux, yay. Lama, lama. Bravo. Nice repeating. All right, let's see if we can find the other word. Oh, oh, je vois de l'eau. Je vois du sable. Ah, we must be at the beach. Oui, à la plage. Today would be a great day for the beach with the beautiful sunshine. Plage. Can you say that? Plage. And then we'll say it a little faster. Plage. Now let's count the syllable in this word. Plage. Plage. Une syllabe. Just one syllable. Une syllabe. Can you find the A sound in this word? Oui, you are correct. Bravo. That is the A sound. A. Plage. Good job. Bravo. What is our next? Oh, je vois des gros yeux. The eyes, des yeux. What could that be? Do you know what that is? Ooh, I think Anana knows what it is. Oh, let's see. Oh, 8 pattes. That's 8 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 8 pattes. What has 8 legs? Oui, you are correct. It is a spider. Araignée. Can you say that one? Araignée. Let's count the syllables in this word. Araignée. Can you count? Can you clap with me? Araignée. 3. Araignée. 3 syllabes. Can you find the A sound? Wow. Right at the beginning. Araignée. Good job. Yay! You're doing a fantastic job. Bravo, mes amis. And let's see what is on our next picture. Oh, it's a question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? And what is a sack? A sack is a bag. There we go. Sack. And sack is also an A sound word. S-A-K. Sack. Do I have my sack with me? Oui, I do. I did bring it. Alors voici mon sac. Mon sac. Mon sac. What's in here? Ananas. Tu veux regarder, Ananas? Wow. Whoa. C'est pesant. A little bit heavy. Wow. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Should we have a look? Take a peek. Oh. Oui. How exciting. This is a word that you just learned. I'm going to show you what's inside le sac. Oh, sleeping. Wow, qu'est-ce que c'est? Let's pull it out of the sack. Oh, wow. Do you know what this is called? This is a llama. Llama. And this is a word that we just learned just today. I think I'm going to speak quietly because she's sleeping. Look at her eyes. Les yeux fermés. I had a super time today. I hope you had lots of fun. Say au revoir. That means goodbye. Au revoir, Anana. Au revoir, Lama. Au revoir, les amis. We'll see you next time. Bye.